Welcome to level 3. We're doing arrow translations. So perform the translation described by the arrow. And now the arrow is pointing this way. Okay, so we're going to move this shape that same distance. Okay, now the easiest way of doing that is we start at the tail of the arrow, and we can only move left, right, and up and down to get to the head of the arrow. So we do the left-right thing first, because it's the X direction first, and then the up-down thing second. Okay, so starting at the tail of the arrow, we're going to move to the left, that's negative, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, till we're just over the head of the arrow. So 5 steps back. Okay, so that's negative 5. Let's do the same thing with this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And then we move down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to do the same thing with the shape. Go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, what I want you to notice, see these little orange lines that go through all the various points? Okay, like the A and the corresponding A prime point, the C and the corresponding C prime point, the B and the corresponding B prime. Notice these little lines? These lines are parallel to the arrow. If they're not parallel, then you've made a mistake. Okay? And there we go. So let's press return. Excellent. Okay, so we have another arrow translation. And to get from the head to from the tail to the head, we start off here, and the X is at -4, and we're moving all the way over to where the X is at +4, so we're moving 8. So I'm going to move this 8 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we start off in the Y value of the tail is 9, the Y value of the head is 12, so we're moving from 9 to 12, so we're going up 3. Okay, so I'm going to do the same with the shape, 1, 2, 3, like that, and notice the little orange lines between the vertices, the corresponding vertices, is parallel to the arrow. Okay. Okay, here's another arrow translation. And so to get from the tail of the arrow to the head of the arrow, we can only move left, right, and up, down. So I'm going to move, the X value is 9, and we're moving all the way back here till the X value is 3. So that means we moved 6 steps over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we moved over 6 and then up 3. So I'm going to do the same with that shape. So over 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then up 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? And notice where the tail starts relative to the arrow. It just starts like 2 down from the C and 1 over, or 1 over and 2 down. We should always go left, right first, and then up, down. Okay, 1 over and 2 down. See, and the arrow ends here. So we know that relative to the C, the tail and the arrow are in the same position. Okay, so that's basically it. Let's do another one. Okay, so here's the tail of the arrow. We want to get to the head of the arrow, so we're going to move over 6 steps to the right, so +6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're moving up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to do that with the shape. So I click on the shape to copy. Okay, over 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay. Okay, so we're starting at the X value is -4, the Y value is -1. So we're starting at -4, -1, and we're moving over to -1, -9. So to get from -4 to -1, we're going to move 3 in the positive direction. 1, 2, 3. And then, for the Y values, to get from -1 all the way down to -9, we're going to move down 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. Okay, and notice that the little orange lines through the vertices is parallel to the arrow. Okay. All right, one more. So we're starting here at the X value is -1. So to get from the tail to the head, we're going to move over 8 steps to the right. So we're going to do the same thing with the shape. Over 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're moving up 3. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. And that's how you do arrow translations. All right, have a good day.